Yes. See at page number 143 and question is name any 5 sound producing object. Name any 5 sound producing object. You know very well. Everything can produce sound like vibration like this. See this. We can write anything that you may say. All the musical instruments, metals, vehicles, television, radio, car, bus, all will produce sound. Okay? Then see the next question. How can we listen to our heartbeats? How can we listen our heartbeat? Which instrument is that?
Stethoscope.
Yes.
Stethoscope.
Very good. लिख लो stethoscope.
Stethoscope.
Yes.
Stethoscope.
Then मैंने तीनों टर्म डिफाइन की है. Origin, propagation and precipitation of sound. The notes which I have sent to you, video I have sent to you, उससे आप अपने तीनों क्वेश्चन के आंसर लिख लीजिए. Okay. Then last question is why can't sound travel? Why cannot sound travel through vacuum? Because sound wave needs a medium to travel. लिख लो इसका आंसर. Question number 4. Write down the answer. Write down the answer of question number 4. Sound waves needs a medium. Sound waves needs a medium to travel. Sound waves needs a medium to travel as they propagate. As they propagate. As they propagate due to the vibration of molecules. Due to the vibration of molecule. Vibration of molecule. Due to the vibration of molecules, now hence sound cannot travel. Hence sound cannot travel through the vacuum. So write down this answer, beta. Okay. Now लिख लिया आप लोगों ने?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now come to the next article, that is audible and inaudible sound. Write down the topic name, audible and inaudible sound that we are going to learn. Audible and inaudible sound. Audible and inaudible. Audible and inaudible. And inaudible sound. Here you can write. See this. What is audible sound? I am speaking, you are listening. I am speaking, you are listening. So that is audible sound for you. If I speak and you cannot listen, that is inaudible. So dear children, I can say, I know very well, vibrations produce sound. हम लोग पढ़ के आए हैं अभी तक. लिखो vibrations produce sound. I know very well vibration produce sound, but human ear can hear the frequency ranging from 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz. ये human can listen this voice. तो लिखिए range of human. Range. Human ear can hear frequency ranging. Human ear can listen the voice of frequency ranging from 20 hertz, it is a unit of frequency, to 20,000 hertz. 20 hertz to 20,000 hertz. This is called audible frequency range. This range is called audible frequency range. This range is called audible frequency range. लिख लो. Write down. Sayam Jain in class. Yes. Now, yes. So write down. This is audible frequency range of sound, but bats are capable of hearing signals beyond this range. Bats जो होते हैं बच्चों, that can listen the sound beyond this range, sound which is not audible to humans, sound which is not audible to human ear, हम जो नहीं सुन पाते हैं, that is called inaudible sound. Write down the sound which we cannot listen or which we cannot listen by human, that is called inaudible sound. You can see in your book there are 3 types of sound. Infrasonic sound. Infrasonic sound. Second one is audible frequency range. Audible frequency range, infrasonic sound, audible frequency range, and ultrasonic wave. Ultrasonic sound. The range here it is 20 to 20,000 hertz. Less than 20 hertz, that is infrasonic sound. That can be heard by elephant, fish. You can see the figure in your book. Audible range is for human. A boy can hear this voice. And ultrasonic sound, that is greater than 20,000 hertz. Yes, write down the range, different range here. Dikshita Nahar.
Yes, sir.
बेटा आज की अटेंडेंस आप लेके भेजिएगा मेरे को.
Yes, sir.
Okay, beta. All the 20-30% are here, so you may take the attendance. Now, so my dear children, I can say dogs can hear. Dogs, जो कुत्ते होते हैं, dogs can hear the sound up to the range of 50,000 hertz. Oh. So dogs can hear this range. Monkey and leopards. Monkey, leopards, you can see the figure, can listen the sound greater than 20,000 hertz. Greater than 20,000 hertz. Bats can hear up. Bats जो होते हैं बच्चों, bats can hear up the range of around 1,20,000 hertz. 1,20,000 hertz. इतनी ज्यादा फ्रीक्वेंसी की रेंज भी बैट्स सुन सकते हैं. तो रिमेंबर ऑल द रेंज दैट विल डेफिनेटली कम इन द एग्जाम. यू नो योर वीकली टेस्ट आर कमिंग ऑन 31st of this month. So be prepared of this chapter. इसी चैप्टर से लूंगा मैं आपका टेस्ट।
यस सर।
ओके,
Yes, sir.
गूगल टेस्ट लेंगे हम आपका इसी
Yes,
चैप्टर
sir.
से। नाउ तो साउंड विद द फ्रीक्वेंसी मोर देन 20,000 हर्ट्ज, साउंड विद द फ्रीक्वेंसी more than 20,000 hertz is called ultrasonic sound. लिख लो, is called ultrasonic sound. Now the sound with the frequency less than 20 hertz, sound with the frequency less than 20 hertz, that is called infrasonic sound. That is called yes. Now these are the ranges. Now we are going to consider, take one new article. What do you mean by echo? What do you mean by echo? And what do you mean by reverberation? And reverberation, reverberation. A new term comes. We heard about this word. What do you mean by echo? What is the meaning of reverberation? Here we are going to see. Now, dear children, like our light waves, sound waves जो होती है बच्चों, sound waves also gets reflected. Like light waves, sound waves are also get reflected. लिखिए, sound waves are also reflected. When sound waves, मैं बोल रहा हूं जैसे आप तक मेरी आवाज आ रही है, साउंड वेव किसी भी सरफेस के ऊपर गिरेगा, that will reflected back even also some part of it. That is called reflected wave. So we can say sound waves fall on a surface. Suppose this is a sound wave, falls on this surface. Sound wave falls on the surface. Some of them it is absorbed. Some part of the wave is absorbed by this surface, and the rest are reflected. Some part is absorbed, but the rest of the part is reflected back. That is, the amount of sound reflected depends upon the surface. कितना sound waves reflect होगा, it totally depends on the surface. आपका surface कैसा है? Is it clear? It totally depends on surface. Sometimes the distance between the reflecting surface and the object that produces sound is such that sound is heard again and again. कई बार surface ऐसा होता है, अगर मैं बहुत जोर से बोलता हूं तो sound will reflect and again come back to me. Again come back to me in my ear. That type of sound is called echo. क्या कहलाएगा बच्चों?
Echo.
Echo. तो लिखिए यहाँ पर
Echo.
इको।
तो sound which is reflected back. लिखिए the what is echo? The sound which is reflected back. The sound which is reflected back and heard again by the ear. Sound which is reflected back and heard by the ear is called echo. When you go near a valley, suppose you are going near a valley or short, write down, if you are going near a valley or short, you can hear your voice again and again. दैट इज कॉल्ड रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ साउंड। आप खुले इलाके में चले जाएं और आप देखते हैं मूवीज में आप लोगों ने देखा होगा रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ साउंड। व्हेन यू आर गोइंग टू सी द मूवी, देयर यू कैन सी तो लिखिए यहां पर द रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ साउंड इन वैली और शाउट इज कॉल्ड इको। इज दैट क्लियर? आवाज का लोड कर वापिस आ जाना। हाँ बेटा, ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
Write down. Even I am speaking from curtains also. अगर अपने घरों पर कर्टेन्स लगे हुए हैं तो वहां से भी आवाज लोड करके वापस आती है। यू कैन सी इन फिगर। स्पीकर से आवाज आती है बहुत जोर से तो इट विल टर्न बैक एंड रिटर्न अगेन। जब भी कोई आवाज रिफ्लेक्ट होकर के वापस अपने कान तक आ रही है, दैट इज कॉल्ड इको साउंड। कौन सा साउंड कहलाएगा वो? इको साउंड।
Echo sound.
Very good.
Sound.
Now,
Echo sound.
if the reflecting surface are not at a certain distance, the next one is if the reflecting surface are not at a certain distance, then we do not hear. अगर आपका रिफ्लेक्टिंग सरफेस एक पर्टिकुलर डिस्टेंस पर नहीं है तो यू कैन नॉट हियर इको। उसके लिए एक पर्टिकुलर डिस्टेंस होना चाहिए। ओके?
Yes, sir.
नाउ
Okay, sir.
now Now, my dear children, so write down here. Instead, due to the multiple reflection from various surface, multiple reflection from various surface, multiple reflection from various surface, like in an auditorium. अगर आप ऑडिटोरियम में हैं और आप बोल रहे हैं तो आवाज मल्टीपल रिफ्लेक्ट होती है, वहां पर हर जगह से टकरा करके हमारे कानों तक आती है। दैट टाइप ऑफ साउंड इज कॉल्ड रिवर्बरेशन। दैट टाइप ऑफ साउंड इज कॉल्ड रिवर्बरेशन। लिखिए यहां पर। तो द साउंड कैन बी हर्ड इवन आफ्टर इट हैज स्टॉप्ड। द साउंड can be heard even after the sound can be heard even after it has stopped. Even after it has stopped. Even after it has stopped. This is known as reverberation. अगर आपने बोलना बंद कर दिया है उसके बाद भी आवाज अगर आपके पास लौट के आ रही है तो we can say this type of sound is called reverberation. So reverberation can be produced a wonderful effect for an orchestra. ऑर्केस्ट्रा पार्टी में आवाज गूंजती हुई हमारे पास आती है। Even the sound is stopped. That is called reverberation. So multiple sound can be disturbing and can make it difficult to hear speaker clearly. It may sometimes difficult to hear Auditorium usually have a features such as a false ceiling. Auditorium ऐसे बनाए जाते हैं जिसमें आवाज गूंजे नहीं. Easily that can be hear with our ear. So we can say in an auditorium false ceiling is there. False ceiling is there. And heavy upholstery as they absorb more sound energy. जब false ceiling होगी तो वो साउंड को कलेक्ट कर लेगा और आवाज जो है हमारे पास सही होकर के आएगी. So I can say here they can reduce reverberation. In an auditorium the false ceiling can reduce reduce reverberation. Okay, write down. नेविगेटर्स जो होते हैं बच्चों, नेविगेटर्स कैन रिफ्लेक्ट साउंड. नेविगेटर्स कैन रिफ्लेक्ट साउंड. नेविगेटर्स क्या करते हैं, ऊपर से साउंड को भेजते हैं. साउंड गो इनसाइड द सी एंड रिफ्लेक्टेड बैक एंड वी कैन फाइंड आउट द डेप्थ ऑफ द सी. तो लिखिए यहां पर नेविगेटर्स यूज रिफ्लेक्टेड साउंड, navigators use reflected sound to find the depth of an ocean. To find the depth of the ocean. Depth of the ocean. To find the depth of the ocean. Now, so ultrasonic waves are used for the purpose in a device called sonar. Sonar is a device, sound navigation and ranging. Full form of sonar लिखिए. The full form of sonar is sound navigation and ranging. Sound navigation and ranging. तो सोनार इज द शॉर्ट फॉर्म ऑफ साउंड नेविगेशन एंड. तो इसमें जो वेव काम आती है बच्चों, अल्ट्रासोनिक वेव्स. ओके, तो डियर चिल्ड्रन, टुडे इज ऑल अबाउट आवर मॉड्यूल. आज हम इतना ही पढ़ेंगे, इसके आगे हम कंटिन्यू करेंगे नेक्स्ट टर्न पर. कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ साउंड, व्हाट वी हैव टू डू, कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ साउंड. ओके, नाउ मुझे अटेंडेंस कौन देगा, किसको कहा मैंने?
दीक्षिता.
ओके बेटा, आवर मीटिंग इज ओवर.
Okay, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.